up, YouTube? Tommy here from Green Rhino Carpet Cleaning. Well, that was kind of corny, wasn't it? Anyway, this is the job I'm doing this morning. You can tell it's got some wear and tear. But I'm thinking we're going to get it looking pretty good. It's not going to come out perfect. This is old carpet, really worn fibers, especially in the living room one I'll show you. So you're going to get clean, but you can still see a little bit of shadow. But we're going to do as much as we can as far as clean as possible. You know, this customer gave me a call because I had a lot of nice references on Facebook, and got on my webpage and my website and checked it out. So this one here is another one. So it had a lot of pet urine. So I did enzyme on it. Let that sit. It's been sitting for probably about 10, 15 minutes so far. Yeah, closer to 15. And so yeah. So now I'm gonna pre-spray. So let's go through here and check out the other rooms. This one's not that bad. But as you can tell right here, you got worn fiber. So when I'm done, you're probably going to see a shadow. So if you guys are new to this business, if you see that, remember, worn fiber looks like soiled fiber. Okay, so you'll learn to recognize that. And there's a larger room here. It's not that bad, a couple spots here and there. But as you can see, worn fiber. So you're going to get a traffic pattern there, right? And it looks like soil, but you know, dark shadowy areas. But it's just the way the light reflects off the fiber because it's worn, and that one's barely standing straight up, nice and new. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and pre-spray. Let's start back here. So I got my Ryobi backpack sprayer on. Let me turn it on. Okay. So with this thing, I can whip right through a house, just like a hydro course. If you're a truck mount guy, you would know what I'm talking about. If you're a VLM guy, this will make your job go so much quicker. They say, oh, don't you might, people think, oh, you probably go through too much. No, that's why you just adjust your speed. That's why it's quicker, because you don't have to go as slow to lay it down. You know, you adjust your speed. So the more PSI you got coming out, the quicker you go across it, just like hydroforce. Now, this closet's got a light. Oh, there it is. So what I'm going to do is go through with the pre-spray, standard spray. Dig a little heavier here. Then I'll come back and hit with when I'm done spraying everything. Come back and hit the heavier soil. Have to hit that. I think I missed that with the enzyme. See a little yellow in there. browning. So yeah, I already did a thorough vacuum. He already vacuumed, but his vacuum was older, and so I went back over it, and I'm glad I did. It picked up so much more. So I did a thorough vacuum already, guys, so don't think I'm not vacuuming. So, a little bit extra there. Really low in fiber here. Okay, so I put 2 gallons in here, and 2 gallons is supposed to do 5 areas if you have a pump up. So it just proves that this doesn't use extra. All right, it just depends on how fast you go across it, because this is 5 areas. This is 2 areas because it's larger. It could be considered 3. And then you have your 3 smaller average size. Okay, so let's stick it. See over there, you can see where they had a throw rug right there. But that's as clean as that's gonna get. All right, guys, all finished. Got everything put away. Customer was really happy. You know, when he moved into there, the carpets weren't in great shape. He'd been there for 4 years. In the living room was the bed, so that's why it was so good there. But he actually gave me a tip. Was really happy with it, and I was really impressed with the way that one room came out with the enzyme. Yeah, so go ahead and give me a thumbs up, guys, if you like what you saw. And any questions, put them down below in the comments, and I try to answer them within the next 48 hours. Until then, we'll see you in the next video. Oh yeah, this thing's working out really well for me too. My water softener. All right, see you in the next